Hello everyone, welcome to our iTech Analytics Solutions YouTube channel. You're watching complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is ninth video. So we'll see some simple DAX functions. In this video, I'll be teaching you about upper and lower DAX functions. Let's go to our Power BI window. Here now we are in table view. So we'll see how we can use this upper and lower DAX function. So here in the table tools we have new column. I'm clicking on this new column. So we get a new column here, and then we'll try to convert the customer name into uppercase and lowercase. So here I'll name the column name as cust upper equals upper. You can see I'm having this function, so I'll just use tab. It'll ask for the text. I'll use customer name, close bracket, and press enter. When I press enter, you can see the customer name will get converted to uppercase. Similarly, suppose if you want to convert the customer name into lowercase, I'll use table tools, new column, and then I'll name it as cust lower equals lower of customer, close bracket, press enter. You can see the customer name gets converted to lowercase. So you can use upper and lower to convert the case into lowercase or uppercase. Now, what is the next topic? The next topic we learn about how to use left, mid, and right. So if anybody is interested to get into this data analytics and have a better career in data analytics, please do contact with the number shown on the screen, or you can mail to us to the email ID enquiry@itsinc.in, and also you can visit our website itsinc.in. And if you are not following us still, you can follow us on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook, and also on LinkedIn. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you think this video is useful for others, please do share this video, and also please do comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.